Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sipindile, and on this channel, I share simple, realistic Afro hairstyles you can do at home. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my own straight back on my Afro. No salon, no stress, and no complicated techniques really, just something neat, protective, and perfect for everyday wear. So I'm starting with detangling my hair, and my hair is washed, as you can see, so I'm just detangling it. This step is very important because straight back looks really good when the hair is smooth and it's not free. So if your hair is dry, lightly moisturize it first so it's easier to work with. Obviously, when you are detangling hair, you are going to need to comb it out as well. So what I do is I take it in small portions and I comb it out, and I'm using wool to stretch it out because my hair needs to be stretched out. If I decide to do this without stretching my hair, then it's just going to be a disaster. So yes, detangling is important and stretching it out. And I'm doing this a day before because I won't have time to stretch out my hair today and do the hair. I don't even think it's gonna be dry because it takes a little bit of time to dry out. But yeah, just watch the process of me detangling the hair. It is the next day. My hair is now dry and I am honestly just ready to work with it. And yeah, let's see. So what I'll be doing here is I'll be leaving a small portion at the back because I want to put braids at the back. So I'm just leaving a small portion of hair and just parting my hair in the middle. I try my best to have clean lines for a neat look, and I start braiding from the front of my hairline, gently picking up small sections as I go, making sure not to pull too tight, especially around the edges. Braiding with care is important. I've actually seen how your hairline can easily just go. Okay, your hairline can just go if you put pressure on the edges. With this look, I'm not using hairpiece throughout, so I only add hairpiece at the end when I am done and ready to just braid it down. That's the only time, if that even makes sense. That's the only time I use hairpiece. But yeah, I'm not going to be talking throughout the video. Just stay tuned and watch and see the final product. I was having such trouble over here because I actually forgot to tie the hair in the middle so it doesn't come when I do it. So I asked my daughter to just, tie that part for me so that I can continue with the work. Oh, I can see the light. Honestly, when I got to this part, I was just like, I cannot wait to be done, literally. And there we are doing our last line in the middle. It was looking good. I was happy with this. And there we go. The front part is done. Now, going back to the back part for my braids. I'm going to make these braids big, honestly, because I don't have all day to do this hair. I've already been at it for like 2 hours already, and I am not about to make them small. So, yeah. And for my curls, I am using wool because it honestly takes out really beautiful curls. So that's what I decided to use for this one. It was really quick. Just after doing that, I put them and I boiled them and I cut the wool. Break time, guys, break time. I was so tired. My arms were just so tired. I felt like I was working out. I needed a break. Yeah, let's continue. And that's almost done. And that's me just cutting out the wool and releasing my curls. And this is the final look. Clean, simple, straight back on natural hair. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe to support my channel. And let me know in the comments if you want me to do more easy Afro hairstyles you can do yourself. Bye.